In paper manufacturing, precision and safety are paramount. Moving these massive rolls of paper requires skill, experience, and careful attention to process. But how do you train new operators without risking injury or costly damage to equipment or facilities? By partnering with our client, we created a digital twin of their paper manufacturing facility in virtual reality. We replicated their process from the hoist controller mechanism to the physics of paper roll movement in a safe virtual environment. Our VR simulation mirrors what operators experience every day. New employees learn to maintain safe work zones, practice using the controller to operate the hoist, and learn how to guide the paper rolls with precision, all in a zero-risk environment. Our digital twin solution has transformed our clients' training process. New operators are mastering this process faster, preventing injuries to themselves and their coworkers, and avoiding damage to equipment and facilities. The results speak for themselves. VR training allows trainees to develop muscle memory and confidence before touching real equipment. They learn from their mistakes, which reduces training time along with increasing skill mastery. This is just one example of how virtual reality is revolutionizing industrial training. When safety and precision matter most, immersive technology delivers results. Ready to revolutionize your training program? Contact us today to explore how a custom virtual reality solution can transform your operations.